Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In my previous parts of speech project, I just forgot to describe the adjective. Many people commented in the comment section of that video that you did not describe the adjective. But in that video, I had mentioned adjective, I just forgot to describe during the video. Whatever, next time there should be no such mistake, I will try that. So today I am again going to do a parts of speech project. So let's start. So this parts of speech project is ready to explain now. First let us understand what is parts of speech. Parts of speech are the classification of words categorized by their roles and functions within the structure of the language. Then move towards types of parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language. First, noun. A noun is the name of a place, person, thing, animal, or idea. For example, pen, dog, work, town, music, school, zone, London, India, etc. Then pronoun. A pronoun takes the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, I, you, he, she, it, ours, yours, they, them, who, which, anybody, ourselves, etc. Then verbs. A verb tells what action someone or something is doing or express a state of being. For examples, read, write, sing, dance, eat, believe, seemed, finish, drink, be, became, etc. Then adverbs. An adverb describes a verb, adjective or adverb in a sentence. It tells how, when, where or to what extent. For example, softly, lazily, often, hopefully, quickly, sometimes, suddenly, etc. Then adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. It tells what kind, how many or which one. For example, hot, lazy, funny, unique, bright, poor, beautiful, smooth, dark, red, blue, etc. Then prepositions. A preposition describes a relationship between a noun or pronoun and other word in the sentence. For examples, in, on, up, under, over, by, for, into, close, to, out of, apart from, etc. Then conjunctions. A conjunction joins words or phrases in a sentence. For examples, and, but, or, so, yet, with, because, for, although, etc. The last one is interjections. This is a word or phrase that expresses strong feeling or emotion. For examples, ah, ouch, oh, hooray, wow, oops, bravo, etc. So these are 8 parts of speech in English language. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.